Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomattox Regional Library System, coming to show you one of our latest take-home crafts, a bee bookmark in honor of National Bee Month. In this kit, you're going to get a set of wings, a black strip of paper, and a yellow strip of paper, and of course a set of eyes so you can choose which eyes you want to do for your bee. Start by coloring your bee wings and cut them out. Once you've cut out your bee wings, it's time to make your bee. Roll your yellow paper over about 2 inches and glue it down to make your bee's head. Next, cut out your bee's eyes, whichever ones you like, and glue them onto your bee. Once you have your bee's eyes on, go ahead and do the mouth however you like. And now we're going to do the stripes on our bee. Start by putting a little strip of glue on there, and then put your black paper on and cut it so your bee has a perfect stripe. And go ahead and repeat this process one more time. And now we're going to do our bee's antenna. Cut your black piece of paper as long as you like and then cut it in half. You can cut a little bit more off if you think your bee's antenna are too thick, and then glue them onto the back of your bee. Next, we're going to do our bee's stinger. Go ahead and cut a triangle out of your remaining black paper and glue it onto the bottom of the back of your bee. Now just glue your wings on and you have a beautiful bee bookmark. Our take-home crafts can be picked up at any of our locations and are available until we run out.